Aloha. Hello amigos. So I just got a new car, a brand new deal from Action. A very good deal. Buick for my wife. Like a family car. At a very nice deal. It was like the value of the car on the market is like around $29,000 and I got it for $6,500, and with taxes everything was $7,500, almost like 85 with the transportation, everything here like 8,200. So my goal is to rebuild this like in a really low budget, maybe under 11,000. It's gonna be a very good deal. So let's check the damage. We were hitting the front. It's a very nice interior. No airbags deployed. Nothing. It's got a powered tailgate. These are some rags. These are not the airbags. I was afraid these are the airbags, but they are not. Very nice car, a luxury family car SUV. So my plan is, because they deliver it here, my plan is to just put the spare tires, the spare wheel, and just take it to the shop and just disassemble it there. Let's go to work. I just got the wheel off and let's inspect the damage here. So it's a good sign. Still, as far as I can see, just the lower control arm is bent and the torsion bar rod, this one. Yeah, so far so good. This piece right here, but it's not structural, so I want to replace it maybe from here. I will check out the seams and stuff. Let me just try to put the wheel on and see if I can drive it all the way to the shop, like 0.25 miles. So let's see. So I just installed the and I just clamped this fender liner here so I can move it at the shop. We'll see if it's gonna go and if I don't have to bring the trailer here for that. Let's see what we have on the inside. Oh, what a nice interior. Not a single, only the pressure tire sensor is on. It's on. And that's it. Everything should be good to go. We'll see. Man, what a nice interior it has. It reminds me of my BMW. No airbags. We got the seats. the two separate seats and the last row, 3 seats. I mean 2 seats, but 3 small persons, they're gonna fit. Let's see if it's gonna. Manchen. So we just got the SUV, the car at the shop. Now I'm gonna try to get it on the elevator. Maybe first I'm gonna try to take this fender off. Let's see, because my door is just touching it when you open it, so I don't want to chip the paint. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I just put the car on the lift and we're gonna check the undercarriage to see how it is, how it looks, if it has some damage or something. Oh man, it's clean. Clean. So this is the bent arm, lower control arm. The subframe looks in very good condition. It looks really good. So I think because this one is the weakest point, so in case of an accident, that's the point that's gonna break, the weakest point. That's how it's engineered. So this is a normal on the right side, and this is the one on the left side that took the hit, the wheel that took the hit and bent the lower control arm, and this rolled right here. I just ordered those, and I think I'm just gonna reassemble everything. So the undercarriage look very nice, no oil leaks, not everything looks very good. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna disassemble everything now. I wanna make it wanna rebuild this car like as fast as possible, but I'm not in the biggest hurry, so we'll see. Aloha. Already got the lower control arm off and the tension bar link. That's how bent they were. This is the fender. Everything else here till now looks good. The shock absorber looks good. We'll see on the first test drive after I put them in. The tie rod looks very good. This structure is not even touched, so this is very strong, a lot stronger than also is gonna break last. Yeah, now I'm just gonna go and inspect this, the front, maybe take the front bumper off and see what's the damage. I know there's some damage here at the skin here, even if it's not structural, but yeah, I'll see. I want to replace everything at the factory seam and to be ready for inspection as well. So yeah, this should not be a hard build, but you know, I don't have that much time to work. So we'll see. It's gonna turn out nice. I can't wait to fix it and just give it to Julia. So I did install the lower control arm. Everything is good till now, but as far as I can see, I think the shock absorber, it's a little bent right here. I can see a little curve, and if you notice the wheel, let me try make it straight. Yeah, and you can see like the inside, the upper side goes a little on the inside. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but yeah, I'm just ordered like a new one, everything with the flange and bearing on top. So I'll just remove this for now, and after that try to remove this side, what I'm gonna need for to make this project right. Let's get to work. So I got the bumper off, I got the wrecked headlight, of course, I got the washer fluid, the tank off, and look, the rail, this is important, it's intact, and everything else is besides this and this here, but this I'm gonna just strengthen it a little bit, like, I mean straighten it, not strengthen it, straighten it to make it straight. I just ordered this from the dealer, and I'm gonna replace it this welding spot. I just need to make more access here. Maybe move this one, the fuse box, and yes, from here and maybe till here. I'll see how it's gonna go, because the part is gonna go all the way here. Yeah. So I just checked the windshield washer fluid tank to see if it's full, if it's not leaking. And yeah, it's not leaking. I seen it wasn't heat, but we'll never know. Yeah, everything is good. I'm glad this one is good too, so I don't have to order one. I just need to this plug to make it like the wire pull off this plug. I'm just gonna tie them back, and it's good to go. This is just the lever. Yes. I know if you heat this one with the heat gun, it's gonna go good, better, but it's okay like this too. So the section is gonna come like this, whole piece, and here this is gonna be like the first layer of this. Piece is gonna go above the metal sheet of this wheelhouse. Other than that, everything is like nice. Now I'm gonna take the drill bit and just drill from underneath here, and I hope I can remove this one without taking this one off. We'll see. Yeah, I want to remove this one without this one, but this section here, this part here, goes underneath this one and this one. We'll see. We'll do what we have to do.